Hi everybody, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. I have another Dollar Tree haul for you. So I found this veggie storage. It's reusable, great for fruits and veggies, and it is freezer and dishwasher safe. And however, of course, you cannot use this for the microwave. So this is really just for the refrigerator for fresh fruits and veggies. And yeah, it came also in different colors. So there's purple and red and green when I went there, and I like this color a lot. If you've been following me here on my channel, a lot of the items that I purchase for our home and that I use in our home is in this color. I also got this, and usually it comes in a set of 2, so that's why this is a bonus extra container. So that's why I got another set. So I already have a set of green and a set of turquoise, okay, but they don't have turquoise anymore in that shop. They only have the red. They only have the red and the purple. So I bought another green one, and this is really very versatile, and I like the fact that it is a laptop for snacks. However, I use it in my craft room and not for snacks because we already have quite a few Tupperwares or containers at home. So I found this, and I know I've seen some YouTubers hold this, and this is a name brand, Aladdin. It's a classic insulated mason tumbler, and I like the fact that this is made of acrylic, and it has its own straws, it has its own lid, and it's clear because we've been juicing and also making some smoothies lately, so for a healthier diet. So I purchased 4 of this. Okay, so I already left the other 3 in the kitchen downstairs and just brought one up just to show this here on my haul. But yes, I bought 4 of them. I'm actually thinking of buying some more, but yeah, for now it's just 4 that I purchased. I purchased this Welch dried cranberries, and there are 130 calories per serving, 0 grams saturated fat, 0 milligrams sodium, but there are 30 grams of sugar. So I kind of watch my sugar intake because of my diabetes, but I can snack on this one as long as I don't go overboard, maybe 1 or 2 pieces at a time. Yeah, so I got this one, and I think they have the dried apple slices as well. I didn't get that one. I just want to try this one because the dried apple slices I've tried also before. Kind of shot up my blood sugar quite a bit, so hopefully this one is not as much. I also got 4 of this, and my local Dollar Tree, although they sell the contact paper, they don't have this design, and I've been looking for this for quite some time now. So I purchased 4 sets of this because I'm going to be covering some of my boxes again with this one as I try to organize my home office slash craft studio. I also purchased this 3 Matchbox cars for a nephew, and he's into small cars. So yeah, because Matchbox, you know, I grew up with my younger brothers playing Matchbox, and I know they're very durable, and some of them are still you know, around, so they're very correct. For me, they're like collectibles already. So look at this design here. I often purchase this whenever I see them. So for $1 each, this is really a great deal. Okay, I know this is another item that is being hauled by a lot of haulers, so I just can't help it. The color is perfect, and this pop in the middle of, you know, this pineapple, and I really like it. There are other designs there, and towards the end of this video I will be sharing you some photos, and I'll include the photos of the other ones that are also available. So for $1, this is really fantastic item here. I erase magnetic planners, agenda, and this is the weekly plan, and these are 2 designs. I like this one a lot, and also this one. The reason why I really purchased this, even if I don't use this planner here, because the back, the whole or entire back is magnet. And imagine this, the magnetic sheets for $1, this is a steal. So for a lot of and I apologize for the noise behind me because I'm printing some paperwork here in my office, and it just finally went through, so I apologize for that noise. But yeah, so this one is a dry erase magnetic planner that you can use, probably put it on your refrigerator or anything that you know, magnets can attach to. It's perfect for like tracking your schedule and also maybe meal planning. Okay, this is a repeat for me, and I like buying this paper pennant that has this kind of intricate cut. It reminds me of, you know, using a die cut or a digital die cut machine. Recently purchased a Spellbinders Platinum 6 for die cutting, but whenever I see something like this that is intricate that I don't need to purchase die cut plates or cutters, then it's a win-win for me, and I can embellish my paper crafts with this one. So speaking of paper crafting, here's another embellishment that I haven't seen in the past. So I love that there are 6 items here and 3 colors repeated twice. It's very self-explanatory what designs are about the glare there, folks. Yep. And then this one here, 36 pieces, and if you've seen me haul some of their paper pads already by Jot, but I haven't seen this particular design, and I'm surprised also that it comes wrapped in a plastic because the other ones weren't. So let's just do a little flip here. Quality wise, not bad. It can be used for planners, embellishing your scrapbooks, and also other paper projects. At this paper pad, they have a lot of magnetic notepads, and I will be showing you a shot or a picture of the other designs as well, but I like the simplicity on this one. I can and I will, and of course the color and the simplicity and the clean lines here. Very beautiful. This one is a sticker value pack, and there are over 1,000 small pieces, and I know this is kind of labeled for 3+ or for kids, but I like using this in my planners because they're small enough. I am actually using a Molang diary for planning this year, so I want to embellish it with similar cutesy kawaii style stickers, and this will fit the bill. Trying to lessen the glare on this one because the plastic is the one that kind of reflects on the lighting here. Okay, a little bit lesser glare here. Okay, so there are rolls of them in over 1,000 pieces, and I know I can have a lot of fun on this one. So adorable with the ice cream, princesses, flowers. So some embellishments there, fairy, cute. I think I purchased something similar to this. So this is another, you know, those planner stickers. So there are 32 pieces in here. So there are a couple of sheets, one in the front and one at the back. Here's that end sign again. So cute, and the color, of course. Yep. The Valentine sections. Shaker stickers, 12 in a pack. It's so cute, the first one. Look at this. We have shakers front and back, so there are actually 12, so 6 here and then 6 here as well. I'll use them for my paper projects. Okay, again, sorry for the glare on this one. These are the 26 count stickers, and they're the laser stickers. Oh my gosh, this is terrible glaring here. But yeah, these are the conversation, or yeah, the bubble stickers. Whatever, so sweet, together, ask me, okay. Tea story, so cute. Blog, yeah. And it's not so thick that you can still use it for your planners. Okay, so the last items that I'm going to be showing you, because I know the reason why I am really showing you this haul again so quickly rather than saving it up for future, is because of this find, and I was so stunned to find them, really. And I have posted it immediately on the community page for YouTube, and then probably half hour later I posted it on Instagram, and even tagged some of my YouTuber friends, because I know for sure They're gonna love this. So these are the items. First, I'm gonna show you the Project Life. Couldn't believe I found the Project Life at my local Dollar Tree. Again, the glare is terrible. So these are the same. So let me just show you, there are 28 stickers here. And when you buy them, let's say at Joann's, or I don't know if they sell them at Michael's, the Project Lives, they're much more expensive than $1 for sure. So these are the designs, camera, and the bicycle. I know everybody goes crazy with this bicycle, right? And look at this, macarons. Ooh, enjoy the ride. There's a lipstick here, and this was great. There's very beautiful straw hat, or this beautiful hat here. A bow, cute heart, 3 macarons, hello, lipstick, tray chic, another camera, arrow, and then this can be used as a frame, and this one will be some borders here. So again, I got the last 2. And then I found some Heidi Swapp stickers. There are only 2 styles that I saw. This was the last piece that's remaining there. There are 16 pieces here. I think 16 pieces because they're removable and you can use the frame. Okay, so there are 8 main ones. So just you can see here, it's just one here, but you use the frame. So those are the 2 separate designs. But this one is the only one left. This one is the only one left, and then this one, I took all the things that I could find. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of this. I purchased the last 7 because they were like scattered on the floor, and I figured, you know, I'll take care of them. I purchased them. Again, this is Josie from Life at 50 and Beyond, thanking you for joining me here in my channel. Please click subscribe, like, and comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this quick haul, and I'll talk to you again on my next video. Bye-bye!